In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Chime to Cash App. So the process is easy. First of all, you'll need to link your Chime account to Cash App. So just go to your bank and option, choose bank transfer or transfers. From there, of course, you'll have to choose the bank account, the Chime bank accounts from here. Other than that, you'll have, of course, to just link it very easily. Once you click on Chime accounts, you have the option also to link it or just to link your debit card directly if you want to do that. Once you link it, all you need to do then, just go and choose the amount of cash that you want, as an example, to send from your Shimmy to your Cash App, as an example. So once you click on add, you'll have to enter, of course, the amounts, click on add. And from here, just choose to add it from a linked account and click on the either the debit card of Shimmy that you entered or the linked account or the Shimmy link bank account that you linked before. And you'll be able to add the amount of money that you want. Of course, they will ask you to confirm the transfer. So after the transfer is approved, your Cash App balance should be updated and you can immediately use the funds to send money or make purchases. And of course, transfer time may vary depending on the funding method that you choose. So keep in mind that if Shimmy don't want a link for you as example, make sure that you're entering the correct debit card or bank account information. And if one method doesn't work, try linking the other, which is the debit card example instead of bank account or vice versa. Of course, also if you have a transfer is declined, you can check that you have enough money in your Shimmy account and verify that your linked account is still active. So sometimes it can get deactivated per default. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.